When we think of the great minds of the 20th century, Carl Jung, the pioneering psychoanalyst, and Wolfgang Pauli, the Nobel Prize-winning quantum physicist, might seem worlds apart. Jung, with his theories of the collective unconscious and archetypes, explored the depths of the human psyche. Pauli, on the other hand, delved into the mysteries of the quantum realm, uncovering the enigmatic dance of subatomic particles. Yet, these two intellectual giants forged an unlikely partnership, one that sought to unravel the profound connection between science and spirituality. What could bring together such disparate fields? The answer lies in their shared fascination with the mysteries of the universe, particularly the idea that the physical and the psychic might be interconnected. Their collaboration gave birth to groundbreaking ideas that continue to resonate in fields as diverse as psychology, physics, and metaphysics. This is the story of Carl Jung and Wolfgang Pauli, a partnership that bridged the gap between science and spirituality. The collaboration between Jung and Pauli began with a shared question. Is there an underlying order to the universe? One that connects the external world of matter with the internal world of the mind? For Jung, this inquiry was rooted in his concept of synchronicity, meaningful coincidences that defy causality but feel deeply significant. For Pauli, the quest was tied to the peculiarities of quantum mechanics, where phenomena like entanglement and the observer effect challenge classical notions of reality. Their partnership began when Pauli, struggling with a personal crisis, sought Jung's help. Pauli was tormented by vivid dreams and an inner turmoil that mirrored his professional quest to understand the mysteries of the quantum world. Jung, with his expertise in dream analysis and the symbolic language of the unconscious, became Pauli's guide. Through their sessions, they discovered a shared interest in the deeper patterns that might unite psyche and matter. Pauli's dreams became a rich source of insight for Jung. These dreams often featured intricate symbols, archetypes, and scenarios that seemed to transcend Pauli's personal experiences, hinting at universal truths. Jung's interpretation of these dreams revealed not only the personal struggles Pauli faced, but also archetypal themes that connected his psyche to broader, collective patterns. One recurring symbol in Pauli's dreams was the mandala, a circular motif that Jung believed represented the self and the wholeness of the psyche. For Jung, mandalas symbolized the integration of opposites, a theme that resonated deeply with Pauli's work in quantum physics, where particles exhibit dualities of wave and particle behavior. These dream analyses laid the groundwork for their intellectual exchange, leading to the idea that the universe itself might possess a symbolic structure, a bridge between the psychic and the physical. At the heart of their collaboration was the idea of the unus mundus, Latin for one world. The unus mundus represents a unified reality, a primordial state where the division between mind and matter dissolves. Jung and Pauli believed that synchronicity, the meaningful coincidences that seem to defy chance, offered glimpses of this unified realm. For Pauli, this idea resonated with quantum mechanics, where interconnectedness is a fundamental principle. Quantum entanglement, for instance, demonstrates that particles separated by vast distances can influence each other instantaneously, suggesting a hidden order beyond classical causality. Jung's synchronicity extended this principle to the realm of human experience, proposing that meaningful events in our lives might reflect the same causal order. Together, they envisioned the unus mundus as the source of both physical phenomena and psychic experiences, a concept that challenged the prevailing scientific paradigm of strict materialism. The collaboration between Jung and Pauli was groundbreaking, not only for its interdisciplinary nature, but also for its bold attempt to reconcile the subjective and the objective. In their view, psychology and physics were not separate realms, but complementary perspectives on the same underlying reality. Pauli's contributions to this partnership were rooted in his work in quantum mechanics, particularly the observer effect, the idea that the act of observation influences the outcome of a quantum experiment. This principle echoed Jung's notion that the observer's consciousness plays a role in shaping their experience of reality. Together, These ideas hinted at a participatory universe where consciousness and matter are deeply intertwined. Jung and Pauli's discussions also touched on archetypes, universal symbols and patterns that shape human thought and behavior. Pauli saw parallels between these archetypes and the fundamental laws of physics, suggesting that both might arise from the same underlying principles of the Unus Mundus. This daring hypothesis opened new pathways for exploring the intersection of science and spirituality. The culmination of their collaboration was the Pauli-Jung Conjecture, a theoretical framework proposing that synchronicity and quantum phenomena might be manifestations of the same acausal principles. This conjecture suggested that the psyche and matter are not separate entities, but expressions of a deeper unified order. Pauli and Jung envisioned this acausal order as a hidden layer of reality, one that transcends the traditional dichotomy of subject and object. While mainstream science has yet to fully embrace these ideas, they have inspired researchers in fields ranging from parapsychology to systems theory. The Pauli-Jung Conjecture challenges us to rethink the nature of reality, suggesting that the universe might be more interconnected and meaningful than we have imagined. It invites us to consider the possibility that the boundaries between science and spirituality are not as rigid as they seem. Jung and Pauli's collaboration highlights the profound interplay between science and spirituality. While science seeks to understand the external world through observation and experimentation, spirituality explores the inner world of meaning and connection. Jung and Pauli recognized that these two approaches are not mutually exclusive, but complementary paths to understanding the same ultimate reality. Their work reminds us that the quest for knowledge is not limited to measurable phenomena. It also includes the search for meaning, purpose, and unity. By bridging the gap between science and spirituality, Jung and Pauli opened new horizons for exploring the mysteries of existence. The ideas born from the partnership between Jung and Pauli continue to resonate in our time. Synchronicity has become a cornerstone of modern spirituality, inspiring countless individuals to look for meaning in the patterns of their lives. Quantum mechanics, with its paradoxes and mysteries, has sparked philosophical debates about the nature of reality. Moreover, the concept of the Unus Mundus has found echoes in contemporary theories of interconnectedness, from systems thinking to the study of consciousness. Jung and Pauli's vision of a unified reality challenges us to expand our understanding of the universe, embracing both its physical and metaphysical dimensions. In an age where science and spirituality often seem at odds, the collaboration between Jung and Pauli serves as a powerful reminder that the boundaries between these domains are not fixed. Their work invites us to explore the intersections of mind and matter, chance and meaning, science and the sacred. The partnership between Carl Jung and Wolfgang Pauli was a rare and remarkable fusion of disciplines. It brought together the analytical rigor of science and the intuitive depth of spirituality, creating a framework for understanding the universe as a unified, meaningful whole. Their journey reminds us that the search for truth is not confined to any one field. It is a multidisciplinary endeavor that requires us to embrace both reason and imagination, both the measurable and the ineffable. In the words of Pauli, science and art, and perhaps religion too, all flow from the same creative source. Through their collaboration, Jung and Pauli showed us that the mysteries of the universe are not just to be solved, they are to be experienced, reflected upon, and integrated into the fabric of our lives. As we continue to explore the frontiers of science and spirituality, their work remains a beacon, guiding us toward a deeper understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.